How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And if you're new, welcome as well. My name is Josh Guerrero. I'm a realtor here at the Luevanos Group with eXp Realty, your 562 realtor. And today I'm in the beautiful city of Los Alamitos. Before I tell you about this property, guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on these gorgeous properties we post every single week all across LA and Orange County. Also, if you have any questions about these properties, hit us up. All our contact is below in the description. All right. This property, guys, beautiful property. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,700 square feet of living space on a 7,800 square foot lot. Very unheard of here down in this area, right down the street from Los Alamitos High School. Beautifully renovated property. This is going to be your dream home. This is going to be where you raise your kids and your grandkids, guys. Gorgeous backyard. I'm done talking about it. Let's just go take a look at it. Thank you so much for staying to the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this gorgeous property. Again, hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more of these opportunities. Also, if you have any questions, hit us up. All our contact is below. I'll see you guys on the next one.